Do you want to fund a WeChat or Alipay wallet from Zambia? Maybe you need to pay Chinese suppliers, order goods online, pay shipping agents, or send money to someone in China, but you're stuck because your Zambian bank card doesn't work with WeChat Pay or Alipay. In this video, I'll show you the easiest and safest way to fund a WeChat or Alipay wallet directly from Zambia. Let's get into it. The reality is, most Zambian banks do not allow direct top-ups to WeChat Pay or Alipay wallets. International cards may fail, bank transfers can be slow, charges can be high, and currency conversion rates are not always favorable. If you're running a business that depends on Chinese payments, delays can cost you time and money. So, what's the solution? The easiest way to fund a WeChat or Alipay wallet from Zambia is by using a trusted payment agent who understands both local payment systems and Chinese digital wallets. That's where I come in. I help individuals and business owners in Zambia fund WeChat Pay and Alipay wallets quickly, securely, and at competitive rates. Whether you're funding your own wallet or sending money to someone else's wallet in China, I handle the process professionally. Here's how it works. Step 1. Contact me on WhatsApp only. Step 2. Send me the WeChat or Alipay wallet details and the amount you want to fund. Step 3. Make your local payment using the agreed method. Step 4. I process the top up to the wallet in China. Step 5. The wallet owner confirms receipt. Simple, fast, reliable. Now, why choose me? I am a trusted and well known online entrepreneur in Zambia. I have experience handling digital currency exchanges and cross border payments. Transparent fees, no hidden charges, fast processing times, professional communication, and secure handling of transactions, a reputation built on trust and consistent service. When dealing with international wallet funding, you need someone reliable. I treat every transaction with seriousness and professionalism. Very important. To avoid scams or impersonators, contact me on WhatsApp only. Do not trust anyone claiming to represent me through other unofficial platforms. WhatsApp only. If you want to fund a WeChat or Alipay wallet from Zambia safely and efficiently, get in touch with me today. Message me on WhatsApp only to get started. Let's make your payment smooth and stress-free. See you on WhatsApp.